Chapter 7. Coding with Scratch 3.0. Scratch is a block-based visual coding language developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT). It is made to learn basic programming concepts with fun. It is a tool for creating interesting games, stories and more. It has its own paint editor and sound builder. It is an easy-to-use software. Fact GPT. Scratch can be downloaded free of cost from the internet followed by the link. The online version of Scratch 3.0 is available at Scratch 3.0 has an offline editor called Scratch Desktop. Features of Scratch 3.0. It has a graphical environment to build blocks of code, thus making it easier to learn and use. Using Scratch, the basics of programming can be learned in a fun-filled manner. Starting Scratch 3.0. Let's start Scratch 3.0. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Apps. Step 3. Scroll through the app list until you reach Scratch 3.0 and click on the icon. You may also type the name in search bar. The name, Scratch 3.0, will appear with a logo. The Scratch 3.0 window will appear on the screen. Fact GPT. Every new project in Scratch starts with the cat sprite and is present by default in Scratch. Screen elements of Scratch. Let's learn about the screen elements of Scratch. Stage. This is where everything will take place. The stage can be different backgrounds, just like in a play. Sprites. These are the actors or main characters of the project. Sprites are programmed to perform actions in Scratch. Script. It tells the actors what to say or do. Each sprite is programmed with a script. Code area. It is the area where you place blocks containing instructions for sprites. Blocks palette. Elements used to program the sprite to do or say something. Sprites must be programmed to carry out every function you want them to perform. The blocks in the palette are divided into various categories. Motion. These blocks define the movement of sprites. Looks. These blocks change the appearance and costumes of sprites. Sound. These blocks control the playback and volume of musical notes and audio files. Events. These blocks are used to control events and the triggering of the program. Control. These blocks are used to control the execution of the program based on a predefined event. Sensing. These blocks let multiple sprites interact with themselves. Operators. These blocks perform mathematical functions within the project. Variables. These blocks are used to store data, like name, in a project. My blocks. Using this option, we can create our own blocks. How to create a program in Scratch? Let's learn to create a program in Scratch. Step 1. Open the Scratch editor. Step 2. Drag the when green flag clicked or when space key pressed or when this sprite click block from the events block in the blocks palette to the code area because every Scratch program starts with a control block. Here, when green flag clicked, it means the project begins when the green flag, present at the upper left corner of the stage, is clicked. When space key pressed, it means the project begins when the space bar is clicked. Here, you can also change the key according to your requirement. When this sprite click, it means the project will begin when you click the sprite. Step 3. Drag the Start Sound Meow block from the sound block and place it below the When Green Flag Clicked block. This block is responsible for generating a meowing sound. Step 4. Drag the Move 10 Steps block from the Motion block and place it below the Start Sound Meow block. Now change the number from 10 to 100. Step 5. After completion of the script, click on the green flag execution button to execute your program, and your cat moves 100 steps with a meow sound. Fact GPT. The movie block can also take a negative value. A negative value makes the sprite move in the opposite direction. The stage in Scratch is 480 units wide and 360 units tall. This information is useful to control the movements of the sprite. The go-to block moves the sprite to the position according to the values of X, Y. The area below the stage gives information about the X and Y position of the sprite. Fact GPT. To remove a block, right-click on it and choose the Delete Block option. Saving your program. It is very important to save your work often. Otherwise, you might lose something important. The file extension of Scratch is .sb3. Let's learn to save in Scratch 3.0. Step 1. To save a new project in Scratch, click on File. Step 2. Then, click on Save. Step 3. Give your project a name and then click Save. Recapitulate. Scratch is a tool for creating interesting games, stories and block-based programming. Stage, sprites, script, code area and blocks palette are the main elements of Scratch. Sprites are programmed to perform actions in Scratch. After completion of the script, click on the green flag execution button to execute your program. The file extension of Scratch project is .sb3. Gloss GPT. Programmed, organize, execute, put into effect.